this video, I'm going to show you how to see folder sizes in your Windows 11 computer. So you can see at the moment, you're able to see all of the different sizes for your files, but these folders, they don't display the size next to the folder. Now, obviously, you can just right click on the folder and then click on properties, and it will tell you the size of this folder from the properties window. Now, if you want to make it so the size shows up in the Windows Explorer, I'm going to show you how we can do that using a free Windows app. Now open up an internet browser and you then need to type in Windhawk and press enter and click on this website here. You can then press download, click on the downloads folder and then go and open up the setup file. You can then go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So I'm going to do the standard installation, and this is a tool that we can use to modify some components on our Windows computer. So I'm going to press next and press install. Once it's finished installing, we can go and open up the app. So now all we need to do is click on browse for mods, click on the search box, and type in file sizes and press enter. And the one that we're going to use is this one here, which is better file size in Explorer details. And you can see this is being used by 66,000 other people. So click on details and then go and press install. Now, when installing mods on Windhawk, make sure to only download mods that have been verified. So I'm just going to press accept risk and install, and then just give that a couple of seconds. Once it's finished installing, we can come down to settings and click on this. Scroll down to where it says show folder sizes and click on the drop down arrow and click the option next to enabled calculated manually can be slow. You could then go and press save. So now if I go and open back up my folder, and now if I go and refresh the page at the top here, you can see we have all of these different folder sizes. And if you ever want to disable this, you can just head back over to Windhawk and you can go and change this setting to disabled. So it's really simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.